Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store not working problem. So let's start. First of all, you have to check that your mobile is connected with Wi-Fi, not with mobile data. For that purpose, you just simply click on settings and then click on Wi-Fi. As you see that my phone is connected with Wi-Fi, and the second important thing is that you just scroll down and check your software update. And just wait for a while. And in this section, you just see that my software is updated. Then go back and then click on App Management. And then click on App List. And in the search bar, you just type Google Play Store, then click on that, and here you just see the storage usage option, so simply click on that and then click on clear cache, and that's it. Now you will be able to fix Google Play Store not working problem. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.